Welcome back to another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'll show you how to put a Ryobi drill in reverse. So here we have our Ryobi drill, and it's currently, if you look at the chuck here at the end, when I press the trigger it's in forward motion because this little tab here is pushed in all the way. If we come to the other side here, as you can see it, you want to push this in all the way to the other side. Now if we look at the chuck at the end here, it's going the opposite way, and this is in reverse. So push it all the way in on the left hand side and it's in forward motion. Push it all the way in on the right hand side, so the tab's pushed out like that on the left hand side, and we have put our Ryobi drill into reverse. Hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.